your eyewitness weather forecast.
We saw a little bit of everything today. It was sunny at times, cloudy at others, a little bit of a shower coming through Utica for us this afternoon, and temperatures did get into the upper 40s, albeit briefly, and in the middle of the day. We've been slowly dropping throughout the afternoon, and though it's been all rain here in Utica, different story for Tug Hill today. Check out these photos from the highway department, getting a nice coating of snow there. This is good news for the snowmobilers, starting off the season strong, Tug Hill, and we're still seeing snow falling there at the moment as well. And if you take a look at when our average first snowfall usually occurs, early November for much of upstate New York. So right on schedule for us this year after a very abnormal October, starting off with a pretty normal start to November. Now you'll see on the radar right now, we do have some snow falling up in the Old Forge area over Tug Hill, some rain in the lower elevations as well. And this is going to be winding down here later on this evening, but will be picking up again later on tonight. And we're expecting some accumulation, so there is a winter weather advisory in effect for parts of Oneida County, the northern half here. Now, winter weather advisory typically not issued unless 4 inches or more of snow is expected. We do have the chance for 2 to 4 inches in the northern part of the county, especially northwestern part like Camden. So that's why the Weather Service has decided to issue our first advisory here of this season. Watch out for an impact on your commute tomorrow. So if we roll the futurecast forward this evening, things will be quiet here for the next several hours, but late tonight, the rain and snow starts to pick back up in the North Country. This band starts to slowly shift a little bit further south, and tomorrow we'll be seeing, or later tonight, we'll be seeing some rain and snow showers, but still continuing into tomorrow as well. You'll see here tomorrow morning, we've got snow going as well as some rain showers. Those continue through the first half of the day into the afternoon before winding down as we head into tomorrow night and Thursday. Thursday will be a quieter day, mostly cloudy, but it's very small chance for a flurry or a light sprinkle there on Thursday as well, before the weather turns much quieter at the end of the week. So here it is, your first snowfall map of the season. A coating for many of us possible tonight, up to 1 inch at most, but it's going to be the North Country with a chance for 1 to 3 inches, places like Old Forge and Boonville down over into Camden, with 3 to 5 inches possible there on Tug Hill. That's tonight and including tomorrow as well. It'll be very elevation dependent and a lot of differences from town to town, but 'tis the season. So tonight we're down into the low 30s. We've got some rain and snow showers coming through. Winds are fairly light, but we do have that wind chill factor for tonight and tomorrow. We'll be up to 45 in the afternoon, so what snow we do get in the Mohawk Valley will likely melt off there tomorrow with some rain and snow showers possible. Then it's a quieter day Thursday, small chance for a shower or flurry there. We'll still be in the mid-40s, getting down into the 20s the next couple of nights, so some very cold mornings here, but quiet weather for Friday and the weekend, shaping up really nice there. Plenty of sunshine and a gradual warming trend as well. We'll get into the low 50s this weekend and even mid-50s, so turning a bit more mild as we get into the early part of next week. So, Jamie, I hope that you're able to see some snowflakes maybe later tonight or tomorrow, because it'll be your first time experiencing lake effect snow, correct?
Yeah. I'm always excited for the first snowfall, and especially now that I'm living in a new place. So
I've been getting a lot of that today. A lot of people, you know, are unhappy with the snow, could wait, but I think just as many are excited for the first snow, so it's good to see.
I'm excited that there won't be much accumulating this time, so I can look outside, enjoy the flakes, and they'll be gone.
We like the type of snow where it can melt quickly, so this will be one of those.
Exactly.
Yes.
Here's a look at what's coming up tonight on News Nation.
Tonight on Dan Abrams' Eyewitness Weather Forecast.
Taking a look back at today, you can see our iNet weather camera shaking in the wind a little bit today. We had some sunshine, cloudy times at others, and we had a shower come through for us in the afternoon as well. There was even a report of a few snowflakes here in Deerfield, but too warm for that to really stick very long. And we are continuing to see that first snowfall of the season across the area today. Check out these pictures from Tug Hill, the highway department in Lewis County, getting the photos of the snow-covered road there, getting snowmobilers excited for the start of this season. And this is actually right on schedule. If you look at when our average first snowfall typically occurs for much of upstate New York, it happens in early November. So right on schedule for us after a very abnormal October. We are seeing a very normal November night here tonight. We've got some snow falling, Camden area up around Tug Hill, Old Forge just dealing with a flurry that went by. We actually had some thunder and lightning out over Oswego and some Gropel there as well. That's kind of that Dippin' Dots looking snow, which is when a snowflake gets coated in rime ice. So we're seeing some of that tonight and some light snow falling. We'll continue with this lake effect band here through much of the night and into the day tomorrow as well. Not shutting off for us anytime soon. That has prompted a winter weather advisory. The Weather Service typically only issues these when we see 4 inches or more of snow in the forecast. We have 2 to 4 inches possible in the northern part of Oneida County. That includes Oneida Lake up to Camden over to Boonville as well. And of course, Tug Hill under a winter weather advisory tonight as well. So we're dealing with that lake effect snow overnight tonight and into the day tomorrow. We'll see that snow to start, but changing to rain mixing in for us in the afternoon. We'll be in the 40s, so you'll see a couple of showers in the afternoon, winding down tomorrow night. And though it should largely wrap up, we'll still be watching that lake effect band tomorrow night and into the day on Thursday. It doesn't look like it will get quite as far east, but we'll continue to monitor that. On Thursday, it looks like a largely quieter day, just a very small chance of a light sprinkle or maybe a flurry, but it looks like we'll have a fairly quiet, mainly dry day there, and then a really nice weather pattern kicking off on Friday. So we've got your first snowfall map of the year so far. We are looking at a coating up to an inch maximum for the Utica area, 1 to 3 inches once you get further north, places like Boonville over to Old Forge, Tug Hill 3 to 5 possible by this time tomorrow. So we'll continue to be tracking that closely. We have that chance of rain or snow showers even in Utica later on tonight. We get down to the low 30s, so it'll be a cold start tomorrow. We're up into the mid 40s tomorrow, so just a couple of degrees cooler than our high temperatures today, and still a little bit breezy for us. Overnight tomorrow night is when things kind of start to wind down. Notice we get into the 20s, so even colder here for the next couple of nights. 40s on Thursday afternoon, maybe a sprinkle or a light flurry, but really quiet there, and then dry for Friday and the weekend. We see a slight moderation in temperatures, puts us into the 50s for highs this weekend, but nights still getting into the 20s. Very cold in the mornings. We will see slightly more mild days next week, mid 50s for Monday and Tuesday. Looks like showers hold off for us until at least Tuesday. So after this lake effect finally wraps up tomorrow or into Thursday, then we'll have a nice, quiet, beautiful, sunshiny fall weekend coming up, and we set the clocks back on Saturday night.
Awesome. I'll be looking forward to that nice weekend then.
Yes, very much.
Thanks, Colleen. There's more Eyewitness News coming up right after the break.